What's up, fellow Cremains? Here's how you can get the Shield of Sacrifice in Crimson Desert. What you're looking at is a great shield only with a sleek design. It provides 17 points of defense and 3 more from an Abyss gear, along with a guard stamina cost reduction of 3%. It's located southeast of the town of Hernand, around the ocean cliffs below the Steel Mountains. The waypoint aligns vertically with the letter E of Demonis. Zoom in and you'll see it's quite literally on the edge of the map. When you get there, it's best if you're still on the top of the cliffs, because if you look down, it'll be easier to spot these birds circling around the cave entrance. Just glide towards those flock of birds and land below the spot they're flying around. Once you see the cave, just go inside it, and you'll find the chest. If you're wondering why you can't open it, you need to break the surrounding objects, and the easiest way to clear them away is with a force palm from the air. Once the area is clear, the chest will be accessible, and you can now take the shield. And that's all of it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.